Good morning, students. Good morning. Am I audible? Sachin, Nitin. Okay, okay. So today we are at page number 70 in your textbook, and it is the first scene of third act. And yesterday we read this the dialogue between this Salarino, Salanio, and Shylock. And now enters a man from Antonio. After that monologue by Shylock, then enters a man who is from Antonio. And this man comes there and he to Solanio and Salarino. He says, Gentlemen, my master Antonio is at his house and desires to speak with you both. So he has come here to tell them that Antonio wants to talk with you. And Salarino says, We have been up and down to seek him. Up and down means in various places, in different places. To seek is to search. We have searched for him in different places, but we couldn't find him. And after that enters Tubal. All of you know that who is this? Tubal कौन है? सभी को पता है? Can anybody tell? Yes. Who is this Tubal? Lokesh. Sachin. Who is this Tubal? Don't you know? Okay, okay, I will tell. So this Tubal is that he is also a Jew, and we got his reference uh, earlier uh, when Bassanio and Antonio goes to they went to Shylock for that money, and Shylock said that he at that time he was not having the full amount, that is 3,000 ducats. So he said that okay, I will arrange it from a man of my tribe. So that man was Tubal, and he is also a Jew. And here Solanio says, uh, here comes after the entry of Tubal. Solanio says, here comes another of the tribe. Tribe means he's referring to Jewish tribe. That again another Jew has arrived, and he says a third cannot be matched unless the devil himself turn Jew. A third cannot be matched means there cannot be third person like these two, and unless the devil himself turns you means that third one can only be the devil if he turn himself into a Jew. So he is here comparing Tubal and Shylock with the devil, and that you too resemble the devil in your uh, qualities. And then exit of Solanio, Salarino, and that man who came from Antonio. And now on the stage in front of us, there is Shylock and Tubal. So now Shylock says, How now, Tubal? What news from Genoa? Hast thou found my daughter? So this Tubal is the man uh, whom Shylock has uh, has given this task that you find my daughter, and and uh, and he will pay him. So he is giving him money so that he can search for his daughter, and that's why he is asking, "What is the news? What news from Genoa?" So it is that maybe his daughter has she went to Genoa. That is why this Tubal he also went there to find her. So that's why he is asking that did you find there something? Has thou found my daughter? Have you found my daughter? And Tubal says, I often came where I did hear of her, but cannot find her. Yes, many times uh, I came means I reached there the place. I got this information that your daughter is there, and I went there, but I couldn't find her. And Shylock says, "Why there?" So this is the his we can say his disgust that why well क्या चल रहा है ये? Why are you not able to find her? So then he says, a diamond gone cost me 2,000 ducats in Frankfurt. So he is now talking about this diamond, which probably his daughter has. She took that with her. So he says, I bought that diamond in Frankfurt for 2,000 ducats, and the curse never fell upon our nation till now. So this, he is talking here about the curse. है ना कर्ज क्या है? वही कर्ज जो क्रिश्चियंस समझते हैं कि जो ज्यूज हैं दे आर डैम्ड, दे विल गो टू हेल बिकॉज दे आर नॉट फॉलोइंग जीसस, because they are of the different religion. That is why. So now he is saying that that curse is now. I feel that it is falling upon us because we are for the first time. We can say he says, I never felt it till now. अभी तक मैंने ऐसा कुछ महसूस नहीं किया था, लेकिन now I am experiencing it. Bad things, terrible things are happening in my life. 2,000 decades in that diamond, and other precious jewels, and other precious jewels. I would my daughter were dead at my foot, and the jewels in her ear. So he says that 2,000 decades is that, and another, and along with that, a lot of jewelry she has taken with her. I would my daughter means I hope. I would is I hope, or I would I wish that my daughter were dead, that मेरी जो बेटी है वो मरी हुई होती एट माई फुट, मेरे कदमों में पड़ी होती, एंड द ज्यूल्स इन आवर ईयर, और जो ज्वेलरी है आभूषण है वो सारे उसके कान में होते. So that is the his wish that uh, if my daughter is dead, then I can get my money back, my jewels, my ducats. I can get them all back if she is dead. So here we see that Shylock is um, only concerned about his money, his wealth. He does not. He is not thinking here about his daughter. That's why he is wishing her dead. And second, he says, "Would she were housed at my foot, and the ducats in her coffin." And I wish that she were hearsed. Hearsed is in a coffin. एक ताबूत में वो पड़ी होती, dead at my foot. Again, at my foot, and the ducats in her coffin. So again he, so यहाँ जो at my foot ये कहता है, at my foot is, we can also understand it like that she wants, he wants her to surrender. And in both of these wishes he does here, he says that his daughter were into a coffin at his foot. and so that he can take his ducats, which which will be there in that same coffin. And so he's only concerned about his wealth. And then he says, no news of them, and you cannot find them, Tubal. Why so? Well, why? What is the reason? And I know not what's spent in the search. Means I don't know how much money I have put, I have spent, I have given to you to find my daughter. Why thou loss upon loss? So he says loss upon loss means the thief gone with so much and so much to find the thief, because जो thief है, thief is here for Jessica. Jessica took so much money from me, and now in finding her, in searching her, and for that money I am spending again. So this is again, it is my loss upon loss. That is why he says this. And no satisfaction, no revenge. And what I am getting is only loss. No satisfaction I am getting, and no revenge. I think, I see. Nor no ill luck stirring, but what lights uh, of my shoulders. And there is no ill luck. There is no bad luck which is around me, but that what lights on my shoulders. But there is only that bad luck which is on my shoulders, which is lights. We can say that which is which is burning, or which is present on my shoulders, which I have at this moment. No sighs, of my breathing. No sighs. Sigh होता है when you आह भरना, ठीक है, in pain. So that is not there. I am just breathing. No tears, but oh my shedding. And there are no tears, but only these tears which I am shedding. So we can say, we can understand this like this, that he says because he was wishing that his daughter were dead. So that's why we can understand it like that. He's saying that there there will be no more sighs, there will be no more sighs and no more tears. I will not mourn that my daughter has ran away. I will not feel any pain about that anymore. So then Tubal says, yes, other men have ill luck too. हाँ, दूसरे जो आदमी हैं, तो यहाँ शाइलोक ने कहा that there is no bad luck but this. So then he is saying to give him some comfort that yes, other men also have bad luck. Antonio, as I heard in Genoa, such as Antonio, he is also facing bad luck. What on the basis of what I heard in Genoa. And then Shylock says, what? Ill luck? Ill luck. So he is surprised, and he is very impatient. That's why he is repeating these words. He is very impatient to hear, to listen to what is his, what bad luck he has faced. And then Tubal says, hath an argosy cast away coming from Tripolis. So he had an argosy. Argosy is a merchant ship which was carrying these um, trade items. So cast away means that it was wrecked, it was it was destroyed, और या फिर हम कहें जो नाव थी वो डूब गई समुद्र में. Coming from from Tripolis, which was coming from Tripoli, and Shylock says, I thank God. I thank God. Is it true? Is it true? So then he says, I thank God. He is happy to hear this news that Antonio is also having bad luck. And then he is again with this very Impatiently he is asking, is it true? Then Tubal says, I spoke with some of the sailors that escaped the wreck. So I spoke means I have this little chat with sailors who escaped this wreck, जो कि इस जहाज में डूबने से बच गए. Shylock says, I think we good Tubal, good news, ha, ha, heard in Genoa. Then he says, very good. So again he is asking that you heard that in Genoa. And then Tubal says, your daughters spent in Genoa, as I heard, in one night, fourscore ducats. So now he is giving some information about his daughter that I heard that she spent fourscore ducats, means 80 ducats in one night. So then Shylock says, thou stickest a dagger in me. Stickest is sticking. या हम कहें गाड़ना. So you are sticking a dagger. Dagger होता है खंजर. In me. And I shall never see my gold again. तुम मेरे by telling this news that she spent 80 ducats in one night, you are almost killing me. I will never see my gold again if she will be spending like this. She will keep spending like this 80 ducats in one night. Then I am I am assured that I will never see my money because before I will find her, before we will catch her, she would have spent all of that. Fourscore ducats at a sitting, fourscore ducats. So he is again he is uh, becoming sad. With sadness, he is saying that fourscore ducats, 80 ducats he has spent at a sitting, एक बार में, at once. And Tubal says there came divers of Antonio's creditors in my company to Venice. That's where he cannot choose but break. So these here he says that divers of Antonio's creditors, divers ये होते हैं जो पंडुबी है. So in that these creditors are people who give money, who lends money. So these are the creditors. These are the people who gave money to Antonio for his trade, and they in my company means I came with them or we together came to Venice and they swear that he cannot choose but break, that he is going to be a bankrupt. He will lose everything. He cannot manage. And then Shylock says, I am very glad of it. I will plague him. I will torture him. I am glad of it. So this is again, he is very happy about it at hearing this news of loss. And he says, I will plague him. Means plague is here for I will annoy him. I will torture him. Torture is again I will cause pain. I will give suffering to him. I am glad of it. So he is very happy. And if we go back to our act first, scene third, there we saw that this Shiloh, he was thinking in his mind that if I can catch him once upon the hip, then I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. So I will revenge if I get the opportunity. I will take revenge upon Antonio. So that now his wish, we can say that it is coming to fulfillment. So he is now actually having this opportunity. And next is Tubal says, one of them showed me a ring that he had of your daughter for a monkey. So one of these Antonio's creditors, they showed this Tubal a ring, एक अंगूठी दिखाई ट्यूबल को, that he had of your daughter, which he took from your daughter for a monkey. for a monkey means her Shylock's daughter Jessica, she exchanged this ring with a monkey for a monkey, and Shylock says out upon her. Don't talk means don't talk about her. I am I am done with her. I don't want to listen anything about her. Thou torturest me. You are torturing me, Tubal. It was my turquoise, and turquoise is a kind of stone, again a precious stone. And he says, I had it of Leah when I was a bachelor. Bachelor is when I was not married, and I had it of Leah. So Leah is uh, maybe he is referring to his wife, that she gave that ring to me when I was not married to her. So before that, she gave that ring to me. I would not have given it for a wilderness of monkey. So I would not have exchanged. उसने एक बंदर के लिए इस अंगूठी को उनको दे दिया, but I would not have given it. मैं एक wilderness of monkeys is a jungle full of monkeys. If I am offered that in exchange of that ring, even that I will not give that. So uh, then Tubal says, but Antonio is certainly undone. So now here Tubal is trying to please Shylock that okay, if you don't want to listen about your daughter, then I am telling you this, that Antonio is certainly undone. He is finished because uh, and Tubal is doing this. He is kind of motivating Shylock against Antonio so that he can take his revenge, and also partly because Tubal is getting money for all these news about his daughter, and and he is unable to find her. So that is why he is instead of telling about his daughter, he is giving him information about Antonio. So he is trying to please him with that news. And Shylock says, "Nay, that's true. That's very true. Yes, that's right." And he says, "Go, Tubal, fee me an officer, bespeak him a fortnight before." Fortnight is 2 weeks. You get 2 weeks होता है, and he is telling him to go and fee me an officer. Fee me is to arrange or hire an officer, and bespeak him means tell him to work for me or book his service. So this officer is a law enforcement officer who looks after the order and arrests of the criminals. So it is that kind of officer. And why Shylock is saying this to Tubal, that arrange one officer? Why? Because the day is coming nearer. The day when Antonio is supposed to give back 3,000 ducats to Shylock, that day is coming near, and that is why he is already he is preparing that so that he can take his revenge. And I will have the heart of him if he forfeit. So he says, I will have the heart of him means I will kill him if he forfeit, if he is unable to pay me back. For were he out of Venice, I can make what merchandise I will. So he is uh, thinking that if Antonio was not there, then I would have been able to do what I want. Merchandise is his business. I could do anything I want if he was not here. And he says, go, Tubal, and meet me at our synagogues. Synagogues is the Jewish place for worship, and he's telling him that meet me there and go, good Tubal, at our synagogues, Tubal. So again, he's telling that. We will meet there. Exeunt severally. So then they both of them exit, and then we are at scene third, scene second of this act third, and enter Busanio, Portia, Graciano, Nerissa, and all their trains, including a singer. So now it is the Bassanio is here in Belmont. He has reached there, and with him is Graciano, and Portia and Nerissa is there. And this Bassanio is now third suitor. Okay, third suitor to choose out of the boxes. First was Prince of Morocco, second was Prince of Aragon, and now this is Bassanio, third suitor to choose out of these boxes. And here Portia says to Bassanio, I pray you, tarry. Tarry is to wait or to delay. That don't do anything in hurry. Pause a day or two before you hazard. Hazard is again that risk, that choosing of the boxes. So she says, she's telling Bassanio to pause a day or two. That ek do din you should take a pause. You should रुक जाना चाहिए तुम्हें एक दो दिन. For in choosing wrong, I lose your company. Because if you choose the wrong casket, I will lose your company. You will, according to that oath, you would have to leave at once if you choose the wrong casket. Therefore, इसलिए forbear a while. Try to control yourself. Have some patience. Don't. And then she says, there is something tells me. There is something inside me which is telling me, but it is not love. But this is not love. I would not lose you, and you know yourself. Means there is something telling me that I would not lose you, or I don't want to lose you, and you know yourself, and you also are aware of this, and you know that I would not think so if I hated you. So she says, so had I hated you, uh, wouldn't be wishing so. ऐसा मैं नहीं चाहती. If I had any hate for you. And then she says, hate counsels not in such a quality. Counsel is giving advice, counseling. So hate. So what is the advice she is offering to Bassanio here? That pause a day or two. है ना, अभी मत चूज करो, रुक जाओ. So that is the advice. So she says, out of hate, no one can give such a good advice. But least you should not understand me well, and yet a maiden hath no tongue but thought. I would detain you here some month or two. But least you should, before you should not understand me well. इससे पहले कि तुम मुझे अच्छी तरीके से नहीं जान लेते. And yet a maiden hath no tongue but thought. And a maiden is an unmarried girl. So that girl, she has just thoughts, but no tongue. She is not that courageous to speak out her feelings or her thoughts. I would detain you here some month or two, but I want to detain you here, to hold. I want you to stay here with me for a month or two before you venture for me, before you choose out of these boxes. I could teach you how to choose right. So what would I do in this time, in these 1 or 2 months? I could teach you. I will try to teach you how to choose right, how to choose the right casket. But I am then forsworn. Forsworn is I am breaking oath. But then I shall be breaking my oath. So what is the oath? Oath is that that will of her, said father that if you are going to marry, then it would be only through this way, through choosing of the right casket. And I will break that oath if I tell you that this is the right box. So will I never be. So that is why I will never do so. And so may you miss me. And with that, there is this possibility that you can choose the wrong casket, and then you will miss me. Means then we will not be together. But if you do, so if you do choose the wrong casket, you will make me wish a sin. But then you will make me wish means I will wish for a sinful wish that I had been forsworn. Forsworn means breaking the oath again. So मेरी इच्छा क्या होगी कि काश मैंने अपनी जो ओथ है उसे तोड़ दिया होता, काश मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया होता कि सही बॉक्स ये है एंड चूज दिस एंड देन वी कैन बी टुगेदर. And then Bishru your eyes. So now she is telling Basanio, Bishru your eyes, they have overlooked me and divided me. Bishru is to curse. Curse may curse fall upon your eyes because they have overlooked me. They have overlooked is they have confused me and divided me. They have divided me between the will of my father and my own will that I want to marry you. One half of me is yours, the other half yours, mine own. So means she says one half of me means one half of my body is belongs to you, and the other half yours, or तुम्हारा आधा हिस्सा, mine own, belongs to me, I would say. But if mine, then yours. So that is, if it is mine, then it is yours, and so all yours. So I am completely belong to belong to you. All these naughty times put bars between the owners and their rights. So she is calling this time, this particular time when Bassanio has arrived there to choose out of these caskets, that this is the naughty time. Why naughty time? Because now she is in this, she is not very clear that whether she should go with the will of her father or the will of her own, that she wants to marry Bassanio. So that is the naughty time because it is very confusing for Portia and put bars between the owners and their right. Bars is the obstacle that this time has put this barrier or obstacle between the owner and their rights. Owner here is, who is the owner here? Portia. Portia is the owner because it is all about Portia. And their rights, their rights means Portia's wish. यहाँ जो पोर्शिया है और जो जो मैरिज होनी है वो पोर्शिया की होनी है, और जो इच्छा है पोर्शिया की, दैट शी वांट्स टू मैरी बसानियो. So there is this obstacle. So what is this obstacle? That will of her father, and that is why she says that this is the naughty time because it is in my way of choosing what I want. And so, though yours, not yours, and in this way, although I am yours, I love you, but not yours, but I am not yours until you choose the right casket, because I am bound with my father's will. Prove it so. So prove it so means choose the right casket. Let fortune go to hell for it, not I. Means I am not going to break my father's will. Let fortune go to hell for it, not I. If I will break my oath, then I will go to hell. But instead of that, I am not telling you if you even choose the wrong casket, let that be. I speak too long, but It is to peace the time. So she says, I speak too long, I am talking too much. But it is to peace the time. Peace is to seize or to grip, to catch the time. I am doing so to delay you in choosing the casket, to eke it out. Eke is to enlarge, to add, and I am delaying in that process, and to draw it out in length means again I am delaying your choosing caskets to stay you from election, to keep you, to hold you back from choosing these. And then Bassanio says, let me choose, for as I am, I live upon the rack. So he says, let me choose the casket. Do not stop me, do not delay. For as I am, because as of now, I am in such a condition where I am living upon a wreck. Wreck is the he is referring to shipwreck. Shipwreck is he says, I feel like uh, I live upon the wreck means he's saying that I feel like I am taking a journey on such a ship which is going to destroy, which is going to drawn into the sea, because there is a very high uncertainty that whether I am going to choose the right casket or not. So that is the uncertainty, and this is that is being called here the wreck by Bassanio. And Portia says, upon the wreck, Bassanio, then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. So she now Portia is saying that, okay, you say you are upon the wreck. You are upon the wreck. You are on a ship which is going to shipwrecked, which is going to destroy it. So then confess. Confess means then tell me clearly. Then or we can say स्वीकार करो. What treason there is mingled with your love? What is there? Treason is that kind of revolt which is with your love. What is stopping you from being in love? And then Bassanio says, none but that ugly treason of mistrust which makes me fear the enjoying of my love. So he is referring to his choosing of wrong casket. That is his fear. है ना. पोर्शिया कहती है कि stay with me for 2 months, 1 month, है ना. So he does not want to live a false life. ठीक है. We can say that he wants to live in reality. If he choose if he chooses the right casket, only then he wants to live with Portia. Otherwise, he does not want to live with her. So that is his idea, and that is his fear. That अभी तो मैं यहाँ रह लूंगा इसके साथ, लेकिन बाद में then I would have to go away after choosing the wrong casket. So then I will feel much more pain.